Find or read reviews that people are talking about Kitnery Cordless Car Washer Kit. 6-in-1 Portable Pressure Washer, Car Vacuum Cleaner, Tire Inflator Air Compressor, Flashlight Hight Lumens with Modular Power Bank. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Modular Design Charger Bank. We offer a large capacity battery bank, 19,200 mAh, with USB Type-C charging port and a 3-cell battery indicator to help reduce your range anxiety. Modular design can be freely combined with the car washer, vacuum cleaner, tire inflator and flashlight to satisfy various functional needs, an ideal choice for outdoor camping. Portable Car Pressure Washer. The battery high-pressure washer generates water pressure of 400 psi and lasts a minimum of 40 minutes. Power washer comes with a variety of accessories, 5-meter water pipe, 6-in-1 versatile nozzle, bubble bottle, and a 10 liters water bag to meet different cleaning needs. In addition to daily car washing, the cordless power tools can be used for walls washing, windows cleaning, road and garage cleaning, balconies cleaning, and garden irrigation. Strong Power Vacuum Cleaner. The cordless vacuum cleaner boasts a high-speed and stable motor that delivers powerful suction of 8,000 PA. When used with the extension tube and brushes, the car vacuum effectively cleans even the toughest stains and crevices. The double-layer filter increases filtration power. It is designed to be disassembled and cleaned for reuse and can be used as a vacuum pump, after removing the dust hood. The high-capacity battery provides at least 40 minutes of battery life. Smart Preset Tire Inflator. Our air compressor has a digital display and 4 adjustment modes: car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball. Built-in high-precision tire pressure sensors and a memory function that allows you to set the tire pressure value arbitrarily. This intelligent air pump will automatically turn off when it reaches the set pressure. With a range of 35 minutes, our portable tire inflator for car can inflate 4 to 6 tires, ensuring worry-free travel on long distances. Bright and dimmable flashlight. 1500 lumens super bright flashlight with a larger aperture and 7-meter illumination range. Lighting lasts for 7 to 16 hours. Telescopic structure design, maximum focusing irradiation distance up to 400 meters. 5 lighting modes: high, medium, low, flash, SOS. Using the 1/4 expansion port on the device to connect with the lampshade. This tactical flashlight allows to be transformed into a bike, fishing, camping, photography light depending on the specific usage scenario. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.